Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you another video where I blend creativity with storytelling. I'll be traveling back in time to the giant praying mantis in week 22 of the Margarete Miller Collage challenge, and if you are curious what this is all about, join me to find out. This week's video is a special treat for all my fairy tale loving friends. I have been asked for week 22 of the Margarete Miller Challenge to please have a fairy tale on top of my original footage with the green praying mantis. And yes, I heard your call and I decided that's what I'm doing today. So it's just the fairy tale. Lean back and enjoy. On a foggy autumn morning, the small town of Eldergrove was cloaked in a mysterious silence. The streets were unusually empty and a peculiar tension hung in the air. At the heart of the town stood the Eldergrove Public Library, an imposing structure with large wooden double doors that creaked ominously when opened. The library was a sanctuary for many, a place where stories came to life and mysteries were unraveled. One such mystery began with a curious newspaper clipping found pinned to the library's bulletin board. The clipping, yellowed with age, bore the headline, "Pest Control Experts Baffled by Giant Praying Mantis Sightings." The article detailed a series of strange occurrences in Aldergrove, where residents reported seeing a giant praying mantis lurking in the shadows. The pest control experts were at a loss, unable to find any evidence of the creature's existence. Intrigued by the article, a young librarian named Clara decided to investigate further. Clara had always been fascinated by the unexplained and had a knack for solving puzzles. She spent her days surrounded by books, finding solace in their pages and the secrets they held. Her curiosity was insatiable, and the idea of a giant mantis prowling the town filled her with both dread and excitement. As Clara delved deeper into the mystery, she noticed something peculiar. Scattered throughout the library were books with green spots on their covers. The spots seemed to glow faintly as if imbued with some otherworldly energy. Clara's curiosity was piqued and she began to gather these books, hoping they would provide clues to the enigma of the giant mantis. One afternoon, as Clara was sorting through the books, she stumbled upon an ancient tomb hidden behind a dusty shelf. The book was bound in emerald leather, its pages brittle with age. Inside, she found a detailed account of a mystical creature known as the emerald mantis, said to be a guardian of knowledge and protector of secrets. The illustrations within the tomb were mesmerizing, depicting the mantis with eyes that seemed to follow Clara as she turned the pages. Determined to uncover the truth, Clara decided to explore the library after hours. She spent her days researching, poring over every book she could find about local legend and mystical creatures. The library's dimly lit corners became her refuge, and she often lost track of time, emerging only when the sun had long set. Clara's nights were filled with dreams of the emerald mantis, its presence both comforting and intimidating. She began to notice subtle changes around the library. Books rearranged themselves and whispers seemed to echo through the halls. The library felt alive, as if it were trying to communicate with her. One evening, as the clock struck midnight, Clara pushed open the heavy wooden doors and stepped into the dimly lit library. The air was thick with anticipation, and Clara felt a strange presence watching her. Her heart pounded in her chest, a mixture of fear and exhilaration coursing through her veins. Suddenly, a rustling sound echoed through the library. Clara's heart raced as she turned to see a massive shadow moving among the shelves. Emerging from the darkness was the giant praying mantis, its eyes glowing with an ethereal green light. Clara stood frozen, captivated by the creature's majestic presence. To her surprise, the mantis did not seem threatening. Instead, it gestured toward the books with the green spots, as if urging Clara to understand their significance. Clara realized that the mantis was not a menace, but a guardian, protecting the library and its secrets from those who would misuse them. With newfound determination, Clara spent the following weeks deciphering the ancient tomb and the market books. She discovered that the emerald mantis was a symbol of wisdom and enlightenment, appearing only to those who sought knowledge with pure intentions. The green spots were a sign of its presence, guiding seekers to hidden truth. Clara's research revealed that the library was built on the site of an ancient grove, a place once revered by the town's ancestors. The emerald mantis had been a legend passed down through generations, a protector of the grove's secrets. As Clara pieced together the puzzle, she felt a deep connection to the library and its guardian. She understood that the library was more than just a building. It was a living entity, a repository of wisdom that needed to be protected. Clara's encounter with the emerald mantis changed her life. She became the library's steward, dedicated to preserving its secrets and sharing its knowledge with future generations. She organized events and workshops, inviting the townspeople to explore the library's mystery and learn from its vast collection. The townspeople of Eldergrove, once skeptical, came to embrace the library as a place of wonder and discovery. Children gathered for story time, their imagination ignited by tales of the emerald mantis. Scholars and researchers visited from distant towns, drawn by the library's reputation as a center of knowledge and enlightenment. The mystery of the giant praying mantis became a cherished legend in Eldergrove, a reminder of the magic that lay hidden in the world around them. And so, the library, with its large wooden double doors, stood as a beacon of knowledge, watched over by its enigmatic guardian, the emerald mantis. Clara's legacy lived on, a testament to the power of curiosity and the enduring allure of the unknown. Okay, let's have a look at the prompts. A frame or border, something found in the library are the books. Bug or insect is the praying mantis. A piece of the newspaper. The stitching all around, and as the bonus, the paint splatter. I hope you enjoyed the fairy tale, and if so, please let me know if there are other collages you would like some fairy tales about. But for today, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon again.